Time now to send it over to meteorologist Sabrina Fein. Hi, Sabrina.
Yeah, the big talk here is the storms that are in our forecast. We have the juicy air mass. We are waiting for an impulse to arrive. Currently, mostly cloudy skies, 72 degrees. You can see our humidity fairly high, around 78%. We're going to continue to pump in the juicy air, all in part due to this high-pressure system. It's actually joined a ride to the north, and with that counterclockwise flow, it's actually pumping in this train of moisture our way, and with that, we'll end up noticing the chance of some thunderstorms beginning to fire off. I think most of it's going to hold off until Saturday night and stay lingering into early Sunday, maybe possibly Sunday afternoon. The coast picking up around 1/10 of an inch. Inland areas, almost 1/4 of an inch. Where the mountains, you actually could end up seeing an inch of rainfall once we get this storm system on our way. Starting you off at about 7 a.m. tomorrow, we'll all be dealing with cloudy skies. I do think there's about a 10% chance of some showers already beginning to pick up just because of that juicy air. And then check out what happens as we head through around 1 o'clock. Out over toward Pine Valley, Julian, the area shaded in red, orange, and yellow, all of that heavy rain coming our way. We do have the potential of dealing with some flash flooding as well as small hail. Noticing continuing by around 4 o'clock, it's going to be an inland area event plus the mountain communities. The coastline, I think the rain's going to hold off for you until you get to later on into Saturday night, most likely while you're sleeping. So you may not even really notice it because by 10 p.m. if you're already in bed, you're not going to see the light activity out over toward Del Mar. But you may end up hearing the rumbles of thunder. Kids may be climbing into your bed because they're a little scared. By 8 a.m. the shower activity may be lingering for the most part for North County and then beginning to push up to the south, or to the north, but that's not it. Once we head on into around the afternoon, this activity most likely will stay out over toward the mountain communities and the deserts, and that's when we're ending up seeing even more rainfall. I think it should begin to end though once we head through Sunday night and possibly even on into Monday morning. They're also talking about a lot of rain though out over toward Puerto Rico. Tropical storm Bertha, this one just about 300 miles away. You can see it's packing winds of around 50 miles per hour and forecasted to dump out over towards San Juan, isolated amounts up to 8 inches of rain, and then begin to move out over toward the Bahamas sometime early, maybe on into Sunday. It does look like it's going to miss the U.S. at least at this time. For us here at home, though, we're continuing to notice those shower activities, so probably not so great to head out to the waters. Port of fair conditions with your swell out of the southwest and northwest, kind of a mixed swell for you, 2 to 3 feet. Heading to the baseball game tomorrow, I do think most of the rain will hold off for you. Only a 10% chance of it. 75 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, and that precipitation, the thunderstorms heading on by the evening. 7-day forecast, 77 degrees tomorrow, 80 degrees on Sunday with that 20% chance of rain. Inland 89 degrees, 20% storm chance, and then we finally do see some drying once we head out to about Wednesday. The mountains 82 degrees, scattered showers free for the next 3 days. The deserts 100 degrees, the rainfall actually helping to cool you off some on Sunday. Finally back into the 90s. That's a look at your 7-day forecast, guys. Back to you.
A lot going on, Sabrina. Thank you very much.